Hello everyone and welcome to my course Academic Job Interview. You have spent several years dedicating hard work, intensive study and research to earn your degree. However, there is still another important step which comprises landing your dream job in academia. Then, at this stage, you might realize that not necessarily your university has prepared you well enough to face this watershed moment in your career. Therefore, thinking exactly on this context, I have developed this course to help you overcome this challenging moment in your career. So in this course, you learn topics such as the relevance of developing the skills to perform well in academic job interviews. Which are the most common questions asked during a job interview? How to prepare well enough for the academic job interview, among several other topics, tips and suggestions that combined will make you excel in your job interview. So I hope you can join me. See you there.